大家好，我係 Mr. So， 今日會係第一個呢，就係 Mastering Mathematics Exercise 16C Question 16. In a city, 25% of the citizens own a car. If 3 citizens are selected at random, find the probability that Part A, 2 of them own a car. 由於牽涉到3個 citizens， 你就隨機揾3個人出嚟啦，一個叫 Roy， 一個叫 Tiffany， 另一個叫 Hillary。OK，2 of them own a car， 我哋發現會有3隻 case 嘅，點解呢？你可以有 Roy 同埋 Tiffany 有車，而 Hillary 冇噶嘛。OK， 咁你見到個交叉個走位呢，就走晒3格呢，咁我哋就數咗3隻 case 出嚟噶啦。每一個 case 呢都係 0.25、0.25 同埋 0.75 嘅，將佢3個相乘就得噶啦。咁由於有3隻 case 呢，咁由計法一樣呢，我哋就唔寫3次加埋佢啦，就直接乘3啊。其實都係殊途同歸嚟嘅。撳埋計數機會計到 0.14025 噶啦，咁就話搞掂啦。Part 2 None of them own a car。 Part B 呢實在太淺啦，就係3個人呢都相當之唔好彩啦，每一個人有車，就有一個嘅場景，一個嘅 case 嘅就係交叉交叉交叉，所以呢就將 0.75 乘3次就得出咗個答案呢，就係 0.421875 就得噶啦。睇埋 Part C 啦。At least one of them owns a car。 首先講翻畫圖嗰邊啦，呢一條題目呢，我哋就唔會畫剔剔交叉剔噶啦。咁雖然大家都知道係有8個可能性嘅，我可以列晒出嚟嘅。咁但係我哋都講過啦，有冇需要次次都列呢？ OK， 係咪下下都要畫公仔畫出腸呢？咁就唔係嘅，我哋用另一個諗法嘅，就係數 case 啊。一係呢就係 none own a car， 一係就 one own a car、two own a car 或者 three own a car， 得唔得？如果佢話 at least one of them own 呢，咁即係話我哋將所有嘅 case 減走咗其中一個，就叫 none own a car 就搞掂㗎啦。就呢條數嘅運算啊，當然唔希望你列晒8隻 case 出嚟啦，得唔得？咁我哋就會取而求其次，就攞翻 Part A 嗰種嘅分法。兩個人 own a car 得唔得？冇個人 own a car 嗰一個招數去諗，就從而發展出 three owns a car 同埋 one owns a car 嗰個諗法啦。來落去嗰個 sample space 一樣都係得4個可能性嘅啫。OK，咁我哋減咗其中一個就收工啦。多謝大家，拜拜。